Laser procedures such as aesthetic are done under the guidance of Dr. Sri Nagesh, plastic surgeon. And here we specialize in laser procedures for hair removal, laser procedures for skin acne, scar removal, and also for in cases of large scars, either the operational or injury scars, which are treated with CO2 lasers. Here we use lasers for hair removal and FDA approved triple wavelength lasers so that we get best results. Acne scars are removed with not only lasers. First we treat the acne problems and then we use lasers to treat the acne scars, that is the ice pick scars or the pitted scars, and also to remodel the surface of the skin. With these procedures, we always combine with other procedures like either the subcision with the RF or with PRP. We also have carbon dioxide laser, which we use both for the acne resurfacing and also for other treatments in the form of surgical precision treatments. We also use carbon dioxide laser in the form for vaginal rejuvenation and vaginal tightening. There's very minimal redness in this procedure and there's not much irritation to the skin. There's little downtime. So it's an OP based procedure. Now, this client also has some acne marks. Now, this client has only acne, some parts on the skin. She has some acne marks which are leaving a little reddish scars, which have been not amicable to treatment by any other methods. So here we are doing a combined procedure where we are also targeting these scars with another wavelength of the Q-switch laser. Here we use a 532 nanometer wavelength in a very targeted way to remove the scars. She has some kind of acne pigmentations that is reddish in nature. These are called red acne scars, and these we can target with this kind of a wavelength. Here we have a client here who has a problem of mixed kind of a pigmentation changes on her skin and a little bit of open pores. This is a very common problem for both young and old, and there's a little bit of more of oil secretion wherever they have open pores, and it does not look good for them. So what best we can do for her, and she wants a quick fix for this problem. So what best we can do is use a carbon peel. That's called a thin layer of carbon is applied onto the skin and it's bombarded with a laser called the Q-switch pixel laser. Q-switch is used in the form of toning. It's used in the form of a pixelated laser. It can also be used in the form of a focused pigmentation removal treatment and tattoo removal. Now we'll be seeing how to do the carbon peel. Now we have cleansed the tissue over here. We have cleansed the skin completely, and now we'll apply a thin layer of carbon. Be very careful while applying the layer because it has to be very thin, and Indian skin has a little pigment, so you have to be very careful about it. A thin layer is applied all over. Now that the pigment is completely applied and it's dry, we will start focusing the laser. Here we will use the carbon toning laser Q+ clear lift. This is the tip of the laser. It's absolutely painless procedure, and the patient can take it and they can walk on and walk out of the clinic. The adjustments of the laser length is taken. Now, it's fired on the pigmented areas that we have done now. You can instantly observe the clarity of the skin from the previous skin. The pigment is completely applied and it's completely dry, and it's a thin layer covering the problematic areas. And now we will bombard with a laser called pixel laser along with the toning component of the Q-switch laser Q+, and it will give take out the pigment along with the impurities and give a clear skin. Let's see the procedure.